In a world filled with remarkable achievements and formidable challenges, we can't help but admire the colossal works and peaks of creativity, observing these immense masterpieces. Today, let's explore Mind Machine's top 20 heaviest machines in the world. The SK3500D excavator, capable of working at a record-breaking height of 213 feet. It can even demolish skyscrapers. The colossal electromagnet gives us a performance like no other, truly astounding. Next is an 18.4-meter wide disc cultivator designed for powerful tractors. It delivers a 20 hectare per hour output while consuming 5 liters per hectare at a 6 centimeter, perfect for stubble breaking operations. This machine can harvest millions of tons of wood in just one day. It's truly an astonishing figure, isn't it? Let's admire the road construction machine, integrated with a truck that enables it to achieve productivity over long distances efficiently. First, we introduce to you the new Eagle Trenchers, offering a cutting width of up to 14 feet and a maximum depth of 8 feet. With an impressive trenching rate of 300 tons per hour. The EK60LP is a versatile piling rig designed for operation in multiple piling models. Oh, that fall was really painful. Poor big guy. The Kobloco demolition machine is suitable for tall buildings and features the exclusive Next attachment system for quick assembly and disassembly, making the setup a breeze. Just imagine those massive metal blocks heated to 1600 degrees Celsius being shaped by a colossal mechanical system. Now, let's admire the luxury interior of this top-of-the-line heavy-duty truck. Here's a powerful machine designed for digging deep trenches up to 1.8 meters deep and 2.4 meters wide for efficient field drainage. This rock ripper is designed for loosening heavy, stony, and frozen soils during construction. The K-Tech Scraper is a highly advanced and versatile machine used in construction and mining operations, designed to efficiently move large volumes of soil, gravel, and other materials with ease. The Cat D10R is a large bulldozer for heavy-duty earth moving in mining and construction. It features a single shank ripper and electronically adjustable blade for enhanced accuracy and control. Developed for excavators weighing 1.5 to 70 tons, this chain cutter minimizes slewing mechanism wear and saves 40% more energy than traditional rotary cutters. Weighing close to 100 tons, the Caterpillar 992B features a bucket with a capacity of up to 10 cubic meters and is driven by a high-powered diesel engine for robust performance. Have you ever seen these trucks move like this before? The Vitruvian TMF 2821 is a robust forklift designed for heavy timber unloading in timber yards and logging sites, making it ideal for handling large and heavy logs with ease. Is there a recent volcanic eruption here? The Vermeer T655 is a powerful and versatile trencher designed for heavy-duty trenching. It comes equipped with advanced features to effortlessly cut through even the toughest soils. This is a high-pressure water gun used in firefighting. When integrated with a crane, it can reach up to the 30th floor of a building, which is equivalent to 300 feet. Here is a specialized tool for cutting hard rock, featuring a highly wear-resistant blade that effectively cuts through stone with ease. Hey folks, if you enjoyed this Heavy Machines video, don't forget to hit that like button and drop us a comment to let us know your thoughts and which machine amazed you the most. Your engagement keeps the content rolling. Let's talk about the HD9 drum crusher, installed on a loader, designed for crushing round wood into processed chips, making it particularly effective for medium-sized round wood processing. This is a construction machine that brings a sense of satisfaction, as it can create perfect concrete roads. With a width of up to 24 feet, it's the ideal choice for road construction. No, you're not mistaken. This machine is indeed bouncing, isn't it? This peculiar machine is called the Combi-Lift Straddle Carrier, and its primary task is to assist in transporting containers. This is the most compact crane in the Spearings product line, designed with a width of only 2.55 meters and a total length of just 13.08 meters, making it highly maneuverable and suitable for urban conditions. Behold, the largest crane capable of handling the most enormous loads with a maximum capacity of 3,000 tons and a remarkable length of up to 248 meters. In the realm of heavy lifting, the Liebherr T284 is a German machine capable of hoisting one of the largest payloads, an astounding 363 tons. Have you ever wondered about Earth-to-space communication devices? The Atacama Large Millimeter is a radio antenna system in the Atacama Desert. Here is a pile-driving machine utilized in extensive construction projects like bridges and high-rise buildings. Here's how the biggest oversized loads are transported. This is how people handle old discarded cars using this heavy machine. This integrated tree cutting equipment with a crane effectively trims high branches and lowers them down neatly and safely. If the potential landslide points on the walls of the excavation are not anticipated, heavy equipment and their operators can be at risk. The B66T Coloring Demo is a groundbreaking wood waste processing grinder. It's capable of grinding a wide range of materials, from raw wood and tree branches to industrial waste. This machine's 75-meter boom can lift loads of up to 80 tons and safely transport heavy materials through buildings, thanks to its long rod and large capacity. Let's guess whether the excavator or large rock will fall first. It looks like the excavator is the winner. This powerful mining dragline is tailored for heavy-duty open-pit mining with a weight of 380 tons, a 50-meter boom, and the option for buckets up to 17 cubic meters in volume. This remarkable heavy-duty excavator from Hitachi is known for its exceptional performance in construction and mining. Its electronic control system allows for flexible customization of job performance to meet specific requirements. Mobile harbor cranes can handle full containers of up to 5 wide and 4 high, exceeding a capacity of 45 TEUs per hour. Efficient snow removal with large automated snowplow and advanced technology makes clearing snow-covered areas a delight. Back of the truck. Concrete pumps with innovative outriggers are highly advanced machines, with their primary feature being the presence of 4 swiveling outriggers, ensuring maximum flexibility. The craziest construction vehicles you can imagine have come from the nation's favorite gas-guzzling pastime. Did you know that the world's largest monster truck is called Bigfoot 5? Meet the Cheez EDX 350 LC5, designed for heavy-duty shore fortification maintenance and slope strengthening. It features a flow regeneration system for efficient reverse movements, and it boasts a weight of 34.7 tons. When constructing a road and its surrounding area, there are various methods to consider. If the road is designed to have a curb, prefabricated curbs can be transported to the construction site. Perhaps even the most ingenious builders cannot match this handy bricklaying machine. The Dip Fox SC600 is a machine series specialized in processing tree stumps after logging. It features multiple rotating blades that can easily be replaced and removed swiftly. Landback developed a tractor equipped with a massive rotating shaft at the rear, weighing between 8 to 12 tons, for soil compaction. This vehicle isn't afraid of fire. Fire should be afraid of it. This concrete pump has a 120-foot 4-section boom that minimizes vibration while moving, with concrete pipes on both sides for even load distribution, due to wide radius bends and joints, reducing pressure losses. The US-made robot is incredibly efficient, completing 11,044 tiles in a day on a Florida bridge project, around 1,100 tiles per hour. It operates with precision using computer vision technology, regardless of time or weather. It's quite dangerous, but thankfully, no one appears to be injured. These are the world's longest road-legal trucks. The longest trains can reach 173 feet in length and over 120 tons in weight, making it a significant challenge for the drivers operating these colossal machines. This machine is powered by a strong engine, excels in challenging terrain for site clearance, forestry work, and construction. Its specialized materials and blades effectively impact ground vegetation and environmental materials. Here's a surface bucket ladder dredger designed for specific purposes.